And in today's episode of Saga of Freedom, in which we seek once again to honor those who gave their lives towards the building of our nation and winning freedom, our freedom fighters and our heroes, we take a look at the life of freedom fighter, eminent lawyer Bhulabhai Desai. As today is the day when the great leader was born, let's know much more about his towering personality.
In today's episode of Azadi Ka Safar, we celebrate the birth anniversary of freedom fighter and eminent lawyer Bhulabhai Desai, who's well remembered for his defense of the 3 Indian National Army soldiers accused of treason during World War II. Born on 13th of October in 1877, Desai began his political life with Annie Besant's All India Home Rule League.
Initially supportive of British influences in Indian affairs, he came out in opposition of the All-European Simon Commission. In 1928, he represented the farmers of Gujarat in the inquiry by the British government following the Bardoli Satyagraha under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Bhulabhai formidably represented the farmers' case and was important to the eventual success of the struggle.
Desai formally joined the Indian National Congress in 1930 and formed the Swadeshi Sabha and persuaded 80 textile mills to join in with the aim of boycotting of foreign goods by Indian companies. The British declared the Sabha illegal and Bhulabhai was arrested in 1932 for his activities.
When the Congress Working Committee was reorganized at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's insistence, Bhulabhai was included in the committee. In November 1934, he was elected to the Central Legislative Assembly from Gujarat.
Bhulabhai opposed the arbitrary inclusion of India and the Indian soldiers in World War II and addressed the House on 19th November 1940, stating that unless it is India's war, it is impossible to get India's support. He participated in the Satyagraha initiated by Mahatma Gandhi and was arrested on 10th of December under the Defence of India Act and sent to Yerwada Central Jail.
In September 1941, he was released from prison on grounds of poor health. His health condition also affected his participation in the Quit India movement, and he was one of the few national leaders to not be arrested by British during the 1942 movement.
During that time, he initiated secret talks with Liaquat Ali Khan to enable a united choice for Hindus and Muslims for the independent government of India. However, the talks failed.
In 1945, when 3 captured Indian National Army officers, Shahnawaz Khan, Prem Kumar Sehgal and Gurbaksh Singh Dhillon, were put on trial for treason, the Indian National Congress formed a defence committee comprising of 17 advocates, and Bhulabhai was the leading counsel for the defence.
Undeterred by poor health, Bhulabhai made passionate arguments in defence of the charged soldiers, but British judges pronounced the 3 officers guilty and sentenced them for life. Later, they were released by the Indian government.
Despite poor health, Bhulabhai remained committed to freedom struggle and nationalistic ideals till the end of his life. We salute his spirit and love for motherland.
And now news from across the world.